Welcome back. Surprise visit of RDA Minister Churchill Alemao has cost South Goa RDA department dearly. 4 employees got the memo for reporting late to work. Churchill says he has suspended the erring employees, but the RDA's acting director says department will act after the late Latif's reply to their memo.
Churchill Alemao paid a surprise visit at the RDA department in Margao on Monday. First, he inspected the attendance roll. What he realized was shocking. People had already signed for 2 days in advance and some were missing from the office after marking themselves present. Memos were issued to Teja Naik, LDC, Varshali Naik, Head Clerk, Ramdas Naik, Pune, and Madhavi Bandari, Second Clerk. There is a possibility that the erring employees may be suspended.
Illegality मेल्या जे कोण काम येता पयली सकाळी सायन मान शूट जे कोण अटेंडन्स घेता ते पयली सस्पेंड केले 14 days इंगा प्रेजेंट जाले की ना प्रेजेंट जाऊन चलले लोक घरा समजला ये ड्यूटी तेजी कोण आहा तेजी ती जाग्यार ना सारकी हो बुक मोठो सार इम्पॉर्टंट वो एक सारको हेजो आनी हे जाग्याचेर रावता पळय मनीस त्या मनशाच्या हातीन ही आड्डी पण ही तरी तेका सेव कोता हिंगा हांव आयकता प्रमाणे सांजेचे 50% स्टाफ ना.
Acting Director RDA Gurudas Pilankar briefed us more on the minister's inspection.
रामदास नाईक दफ्तरी हो सकाळी येयला 10:30 आणि 3 दीस ह्यान मारल्या. वैशाली नाईक आसा पळय हे हेडर आसता तेणी सगळे पळोवपा जाय कोण सायन मारता कोण वयता तेणी कांय पळोवंक ना तेणी ताकाय मेमो काडला. मागीर माधवी भंडारी हे येयना कामाक शी वॉज ऑन लीव. आतां एक चवथ म्हणून लीव लोकांक दिली पूण मागीर फुडें येवपा जाय कामाक सारकें न्हू तें लेट पावलां आनी तेणी लेट मास्टर सायन बरोवंक ना तें 10:30 पावलें आनी ते जे येयना पूण आजून तें सायन मारूंक ना पूण ते अफसर आसा ते लेट पावलें. Let him answer memorandum and take further action.
A reporter from Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Transport Department has initiated steps to keep tab on overloading of private buses. Transport Department's enforcement cell on Monday morning screened more than 50 buses in Panji for overloading. In next couple of days, department has plans to screen more buses in Margao, Mapsa, Vasco and other towns in the state.
Look at this. A private bus is overloaded with passengers. Only 12 passengers are allowed to stand in this minibus. But this bus is carrying more passengers in standing position. This is in complete violations of traffic safety rules. On Monday morning, enforcement officials of Transport Department screened these buses for overloading. Many conductors were even found without their licenses. The buses were screened between 7 to 10 in the morning. Names and numbers of violators were noted down by traffic officials. The enforcement cell would later submit their report to the Director of Transport and initiate action on the concerned bus operators. During this screening, a conductor was also found misbehaving with the school children. He was not allowing the school children in his bus as they pay half ticket. 8 to 10 am and 5 to 7 pm are peak hours for transporters. On Monday, only incoming buses in Panji were screened. The enforcement cell also plans to screen the outgoing buses. In the next couple of days, private passenger buses in Mapsa, Margao, Ponda and Vasco would also be screened. The department would then study the statistics and reports regarding the violations and initiate action against the operators. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
The Goa Government Employees Association has decided to go on an indefinite strike from the 22nd of September. The decision comes after the government's failed assurances to issue an order about parity of pay scales to left-out categories.
After the government's failure to issue an order regarding upgradation of pay scales of all left-out categories, the Goa Government Employees Association has now decided to go ahead with their indefinite pen-down strike on the 22nd of September. As a mark of protest, the employees will go to work but will not conduct any work. There are around 50,000 government employees. This decision was taken by the working and taluka committees of the association. The association had earlier withdrawn their call for a strike on the 31st of August.
6 इमिजिएटली सीएमाची बॅट घेतली 12:30 वरांचेर घरा लागीं आनी आमी ताका सांगलें की तुमचे आमी कितें तें कळया. CMान सांगलें आपण 2 दिसां भितर कितें तें आमकां कळयता, 2 दीस दी म्हण आपल्याक. म्हणटच 6 सप्टेंबराक 2 दीस मागलेले पळय ते अजुनूय आमकां डिसिजन कळोंक ना. ताका लागून आमी हो स्थगीत दवरलेलो आमचो पेन डावन टूल ऑन स्ट्रायक तो आमी आतां 22 तारखेच्यान आमी परत रेज्यूम करता. आनी हाचें आमी इंटिमेशन ऑलरेडी सरकाराक दिलेलें आसा 17 सप्टेंबराक.
The association threatened to intensify their strike even after the government's failure to respond to their demand. However, they said they will call off the strike only if the government issues the order by Tuesday evening.
आमी फर्स्ट फेज आमी फेज वायज आमी म्हणटनाच केला ती फर्स्ट फेज जरी बेमुदत म्हणल्यार फर्स्ट फेजीक आमी एसेन्शियल सर्वीस टच करूंक ना. जर सरकार जर तसोच जर आमकां वेळ काडपाक येयलो जाल्यार आमगे एसेन्शियल सर्विसूय बीन टच करपाक कांय फाटीं फुडें सरचें ना. आनी तेजेय भायर जर वचपाक पडलें जाल्यार आमी ऑफिस बॉयकॉट सुद्दां करयन. वी आर प्रिपेर्ड इन ऑल द वेज.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Deputy Speaker Mauvin Gudino has opposed linking of Konkan and South Western Railway in Kasauli village. Gudino plans to meet Mamata Banerjee within a month to stop the railway linking project. Gudino says the project will divide Kasauli into 4 parts and displace the people. The rail linking project was proposed by the MPT and it has also a mention in the draft regional plan.
Mauvin Gudino had a meeting with senior officials of Konkan and South Western Railway on Monday in Parwari. Kasauli villagers were also part of this meeting. Meeting was also attended by Chief Town Planner Murad Ahmed, Deputy Collector Levinson Martins and others. During the meeting, Gudino asked railway officials not to link the railway routes as it will affect the village.
जे सिनियर ऑफिशियल्स आशिल्ले साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे तेणी सांगले इट इज ओन्ली अ प्रपोजल आनी हें प्रपोजल MPT कडेसून आयिल्लें आनी आमी हें कांय फायनलायज करूं ना. तुमी फॉर अ मोमेंट इमॅजिन 2 रेल्वे तरी पास जाता तूं ते गांवान रावपी आहा ते आनी मोदी आनी एक लिंक केल्यार ते म्हणजे वॉट अ फॉर्मेशन इट इज. आनी
Besides meeting Mamata Banerjee, Gudino would also write to Chief Minister Kamath to stop this project. This proposed plan is likely to displace many families in the village.
कन्सॉली विलेजान लिंक करनाका हिंगा काडून उडया. रिजनल प्लॅनान दाखयला ते रॉंग आसा आनी केन्ना तरी फुडारा जाय एक सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट आसा म्हूण तरी फुडारा तरी जाय जाल्यार अंडर 16 year you can always get it.
Konkan and South Western Railway both pass from Kasauli. Gudino says both the railway can have a link at some other place rather than Kasauli. Railway officials would be conveying this demand to their higher-ups.
हांवें सांगलां की जे रेल्वे मिनिस्टर श्रीमती Miss Mamata Banerjee, I will be representing to her personally with a memorandum quoting this meeting with her officials so that the whole thing about linking both the railways is buried.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Time now for a short break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.